Hello guys, this is Raghunath Balaji from Team Clickbyte with the project called Cherseta. Cherseta in Rome means research, and this is exactly a research app. And what this app does is to help streamline users and make it easier for researchers as well as students to learn new information and then grasp them and then hold them in specific pods, as I call it, as projects. So you can do basic CRUD operations. You can create a new brief, edit the existing brief, and update the existing brief, and then sync it to the Fireplace cloud, as well as delete the whole thing. And if I click delete and if I click OK, and now this project is gone forever. This cannot be undone, and this is a permanent deletion. And let me show you a quick workflow of how a project works inside Cherseta. So the Cherseta is a two-part layout where the LHS and then the right-hand side is divided in 50-50 manner. You can also resize it depending on which one you prioritize more. Currently, it's on 50-50 by default. And this has two tabs. First is a resource bank, Chersey.ai, and a deep research tab. And the right-hand side just simply holds a notes app. So what you can do with this app is you can essentially paste a YouTube URL as an resource. I'll just take this already process URL that I have, and then I'll save it, and this will create a new pod right here, and then it will save my entire transcription of the video that I pasted. So this is the entire script that the guy who in the video spoke, and it directly took it from the transcription API from YouTube. You can also view the video on YouTube, or you can read it, but reading is not the primary concern. The textualization of this YouTube video is more for providing it as a context to our Chersey AI, which I'll come back to in a sec. So coming back to the LLM integration that I have done here, you can provide any one of these videos as context and then ask any questions. Explain. So if we click this and then click send, and this will create a Gemini response, and then this is using Gemini 2.5 Flash because that's the free API that we can use as of now. And see, this response has tags right here that these are the citations. So this paragraph that it took was from the context that we provided, that is the YouTube video, and this paragraph is from its general knowledge as well as context, a combination of both. And this paragraph is combining just its general knowledge and then spewing out, so that you know which one to take with a pinch of salt and then which one you can blindly trust. And this is our notes app, and you can directly link it to our notes app and then smoothly transition from writing in your from the Gemini giving you a response and then you actually writing it into a scratchpad. And the deep research agent essentially gets you to enter a YouTube URL or the one of these resource bank resources, and then if you click start research, it uses Llama 3 and then it will use Stavely and integrates both to give you the next best complementary sources that you can do, so that you can learn more about the resources that you already gave. So currently it provides it provided me 9 different sources for me to learn more about, and then if I really like something, I can just save it right here, so that when I reload the whole thing, everything stays in place and only these resources just stay on the top for me to learn again. And that's all about my app. Thank you very much.